How do you make a twisted board perfectly square? This was one of those problems that confused me a lot when I first started woodworking. So today, I'll show you a simple fix that actually works. Step 1. Cut the board to the smallest size you need. The shorter the board, the smaller the twist, and the less suffering for everyone involved. Next, place the twisted board on something that's actually flat. I'm using a piece of plywood. Use a few scrap spacers to stop the board from rocking, then secure it in place with hot glue. Nothing fancy, just enough to keep it from fighting back. Now run the whole thing through the plane. This gives us one perfectly flat face. Once that's done, flip it over, flat side down, and send it through the planer again to make the opposite face parallel. Now we just need to square the remaining two sides. This board is a little too big for my table saw, so I'm using the jointer instead. One edge on the jointer, the last side through the planer, and that's it. Flat, square, no more twist. If you use a different method, please share it. I'm always curious how other woodworkers solve the same problem.